In this lesson, we'll introduce you to the basic spreadsheet terms: workbooks, worksheets, cells, rows and columns. These are the ABCs of any spreadsheet application, including Microsoft Excel. The basic knowledge is important for your Microsoft Office Specialist certification, and the bedrock upon which all your Excel skills will be built. Let's dive in as we demystify these core components. An Excel workbook is your entire digital binder for a project, a course, or your personal finances. In a nutshell, it is the Excel file you open and save. Each time you create a new Excel document, you are creating a new workbook. It usually starts with a name, for example, Book 1. When you save the workbook, the name changes to the file name you gave the saved workbook, e.g., My Budget. Look at the top of your Excel window, you will see the workbook's name. So if you are asked to open, save, or close a workbook, it is referring to the entire Excel file. Inside the workbook, there are dividers or separate sheets for different subjects or topics. These sheets or dividers are called worksheets. A worksheet is an individual page or tab within your workbook. Each new workbook starts with at least one worksheet, usually named Sheet 1. You can have many worksheets in one workbook. Worksheets will help you to keep related data separate but still in the same workbook. For example, one worksheet for January sales, another for February sales, etc. You can add, delete, rename, move, or copy worksheets. Look for the Sheet tabs at the bottom of your Excel window. Cells are the smallest part of a spreadsheet, yet they are the most important. A cell is a single box or rectangle where a column and a row intersect. This is where you enter all your data, numbers, text, dates, formulas, everything. Every single cell has a unique address or name based on each column letter and row number. This address is called its cell reference. The column letter always comes first, then the row number. For example, we have A1 as a cell address, derived from the intersection of column A and row 1. B5, which is the intersection of column B and row 5, etc. The cell you currently have selected is called an active cell. It has a thick border around it. Its address appears in the name box, that is the little box to the left of the formula bar above column A. Understanding cell references is fundamental for formulas and navigation. You'll need to know how to select a single cell and range of cells. Rows are horizontal line of cells that run across your worksheet. They are identified by numbers on the far left side of the worksheet. 1, 2, 3, and so on. There are over 1 million rows in a single Excel worksheet. There are exactly 1,048,576 rows in each worksheet. You can select entire rows or insert or delete rows. To select an entire row, simply click on its row number on the left. Columns are vertical lines of cells that runs down your worksheet. They are identified by letters at the top of the worksheet: A, B, C, and so on. There are 16,384 columns in a single Excel worksheet. Just like rows, you can select entire columns or insert, delete columns. To select an entire column, simply click on each column letter at the top. Let's build a simple exam scores tracker to see how to use each of these terms in real life. Open a new blank Excel workbook. Rename Sheet 1 to Exam Scores. In cell A1, that is column A, row 1, type student's name. In cell B1, type English score. In cell C1, type Math score. In cell A2, type Taiwo Ogun. In cell B2, type 65. In cell C2, type 59. In cell A3, type Amina Hamsin. In cell B3, type 78. In cell C3, type 62. Click on row 1 to select the entire row and hold down the Ctrl key and press B. Click on column A to select the entire column and hold down the Ctrl key and press B. Observe that you've opened the workbook, renamed a worksheet, entered data into specific cells, selected a row, and also selected a column. Knowing cell addresses helps you write accurate formulas, e.g., equals B2 plus C2. Understanding worksheets helps you keep similar and complex data in the same worksheet. Quickly selecting entire rows or columns saves tons of time when formatting or making changes. Misunderstanding these basics is a common cause of errors. Getting them right from the start sets you up for success. The Microsoft Office Specialist exam will assume you know these terms inside and out, asking you to navigate, select, and manage these components. Before we round up this lesson, let's bring to your notice the following pro tips. To quickly go to a specific cell, type each cell address, e.g. J50, into the name box and press Enter. To select a huge range of cells, e.g. A3 to K15, click the first cell, which is A3, then hold down the Shift key and click the last cell, that is K15 in the range. Excel selects everything in between. Always give your worksheets clear descriptive names instead of using Sheet 1 or Sheet 2, because this won't make sense in a production environment. Next is the challenge. Quickly go over the challenge and post your answers in the comment section. You've just unlocked the foundational secrets of Excel. Understanding workbooks, worksheets, cells, rows, and columns is not just about learning definitions, it's about gaining the ability to structure, organize, and manage any kind of data with confidence and precision. This knowledge is your first giant leap towards becoming an Excel wizard and confidently tackling your Microsoft Office Specialist certification. Keep exploring these building blocks and watch your Excel skills grow from zero to hero.